Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad Algebra problem, and here we have m to the power of 6 equals to 2 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we move this 2 to the power of 6 in the left hand side, and it will be written as m to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 6 equals to 0. And now in the next step here we convert this equation into the product of two cubic factors form, so that we rewrite this equation as m cubed and its whole squared minus this 2 to the power of 6 is written as 2 cubed and its whole square equals to 0. And after that we use here the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as m cubed minus 2 cubed into m cubed plus 2 cubed equals to 0. So now after that here you see we have two factors in cubic form. So we separate both of these and we convert these two factors by two cases. So our first case is we write this m cubed minus 2 cubed equals to 0, and we write the other factor is m cubed plus 2 cubed equals to 0, and we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So now we solve both of these cubic equation and we find the values of m. So here first we focus on equation number 1 and we write it here. From 1 we get, so our equation number 1 is m cubed minus 2 cubed. So in equation number 1 we use here the nice cubic formula, and you know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So here we need this nice formula to the above equation number 1. So according to this equation number 1, we just write this equation as so here we use this formula to this equation, and it will be written as m minus 2. Here we write our equation number 1 implies m minus 2 into m square plus 2m plus 2 square equals to 0. So after that we again make here the two cases, so that our first case is we take m minus 2 equals to 0, and the second case is we take m square plus 2m plus 4 equals to 0. So in the first case we easily get the value of m is equals to 2. So this is our first real root, and now in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So that here we solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4. So these are the coefficients of the given equation. And now in the next step we use the quadratic formula, and our quadratic formula is stated as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula. And now we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as m equals to minus b, and the value of b is 2. So it will be written as minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need some simplification here, and we write it as minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square. So our 2 square is 4, and 4 times of 4 becomes here minus 16 divided by 2 times of a is 2. And now here we need more simplification, and we write this expression as minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 16 equals to minus 12 divided by 2. And here we rewrite this minus 12 as in this form: minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 times of 3. We know that 4 times of 3 is 12, and we write this minus 1 square root, and it is divided by 2. And here we know that the square root of 4 is equals to 2. So this is minus 2 plus minus 2 into square root of 3. And we know that square root of minus 1 is iota, and it is divided by 2. And now we separate this fraction, and it will be written as we just separate this here: minus 2 over 2 plus minus 2 into square root of 3 over 2 into iota. So this is cancelled out by this one, and we get here minus 1 plus minus, this is cancelled out by this one, and we get here square root of 3 iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the equation number 1. And now we need to solve our equation number 2, or case number 2. So in equation number 2, here first we copy down our equation number 2, and our equation number 2 is m cubed plus 2 cubed equals to 0. And here in equation number 2 we use the nice cubic formula, and it is stated as a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Here we use this nice formula to the above equation, and we proceed same to the above case. Okay, so when we use this formula, it will be written as m plus 2 times of m square minus 2m plus 2 square equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we need more simplification. So we write this m plus 2 equals to 0, and m square minus 2m plus this 2 square is 4 equals to 0. So here from first case we easily get the value of m is minus 2. So this is the second real root of the given equation. And now we solve this equation by using the quadratic formula. So we write its coefficients, are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to 4. So these are the coefficients of this equation, and we use the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now we substitute the values of a, b, and c here, and it will be written as minus into minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B means minus 2 square, minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 4, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So now in the next step, here we just need simplification here, and this is minus times of minus become plus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square is 4, and 4 times of 4 is 16 divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. And we write this equation as 2 plus minus square root of minus 12 divided by 2, because 4 minus 16 equals to minus 12. And we rewrite this expression as 2 plus minus square root of 4 times of 3, and write the square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So we know that square root of 4 is equals to 2 into square root of 3, and minus 1 square root equals to iota. And here we separate the fraction, and we write these two, both of these terms. So here you see that this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here m equals to 1 plus minus, this is cancelled out by this one, and square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have the 6 roots of the given equation are, so our m equals to plus minus 2, these are the 2 roots, and 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota. So these are the second roots, and the other 2 roots are minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota. So these are the total 6 roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.